Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install study abroad programs with Education First step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Education First website. Navigate to the Study Abroad section. Explore the various programs available based on your academic needs and interests. Select a specific program that aligns with your goals. Click on the program for detailed information, including dates, locations, and costs. Review the eligibility requirements carefully. Gather the necessary documents, such as transcripts and letters of recommendation. Fill out the online application form provided on the program page. Make sure to include all required information accurately. Submit your application before the deadline. After submission, keep an eye on your email for any updates. Prepare for an interview if the program requires one. Once accepted, review the acceptance letter thoroughly. Next, complete any additional paperwork requested by Education First. Utilize the resources provided for visa application guidance. Begin planning your travel arrangements. Attend any pre-departure orientations offered by Education First. Engage with other participants through online forums or meetings. Pack your essentials, keeping in mind the culture and climate of your host country. Finally, embark on your study abroad adventure with Education First. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.